Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at crypto.com and I'm looking at staking for some interest. Now, you can go here to the earn menu, and depending on what kind of card you have, it can change the rate. So if you have Jade, Indigo, or above, you get a little extra, but I don't. I have a Ruby. So, here we go. I've got crypto.com coin I could use. Polygon, which is 10%. That's pretty good. Alright. And a couple other things here. Stable coins are 10%, which is better than Celsius currently because they're only 8.88%. So if you guys want to get into crypto.com, check out my code below. You get a free $25 for signing up. That's pretty cool. 25 bucks, can't beat that. But here is what I want to look at. I'm going to have a lot of CRO coin, crypto.com coin. So I want to say start earning now and CRO. I'm going to go 3 months, which is 6%. I say, okay, accept all the terms, conditions, whatevs. Alright. And I'm going to clear so that a minimum amount is 5,000. Okay? So all you gotta do is say deposit 5,000 and you're on your way. However, it'll be tied up for 3 months. And you only get 6% interest. So, actually, I'm not doing that. Alright? I have another secret to tell you guys. Don't tell anybody else. Okay? Big trouble if I tell anybody about this. But between you and me and the internet, if you take some of this CRO and you transfer it over to the wallet, I'm going to say, I want to withdraw the CRO into my crypto.com DeFi wallet. Alright? Now, what I want to do is I want to take 5,000. Well, I want to take 5,001. Because I need to pay the CRO network fee, okay, which is usually pretty low. It's less than 1 CRO, so it's way better than Ethereum. Alright? So I want to say send 5,001 CRO total. The fee is 0.001 CRO. That is very reasonable. I'm willing to pay that. Not a problem. So, I'm going to click on confirm. I want to type in my code. And voila! Withdrawal request has been submitted. So now my CRO balance drops down here to 6,081. And I can start over. Alright. You can see I have some CRO staked. That was staked for my Ruby Red. I can unstake in 99 days. Okay, whatever. But it started out as 400. It's now 197.53. Not awesome, but I'm still bullish on CRO because CRO's gone to $1 by the end of the year. Can't guarantee it, but that's what my analysis shows. If we take a look at the 6-month chart, you can see it pumped, it's backing off. It's a lot like Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin is a little higher right now, so it should be at parity with Bitcoin. You can see it's not. So it's a little under. So it's got a little ways to pump before it catches up. And that is good. Between you and me, this thing should be actually around 21 cents or so. Alright, so that's good. So the next step is I'm going to be going to my crypto.com DeFi wallet. So hold on, through the magic of video editing. And poof, there we are. Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Okay, so this transfer was almost instantaneous, okay? It took about, I don't know, less than 30 seconds to make this transfer from the crypto.com app to the DeFi wallet app. And it took 0.001 CRO to do so. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Where else can you do that? Not with Ethereum, that's for sure. Okay, anyway, here's what we're gonna do. All right, you can see we have some already here. We're gonna say we want to earn. Now you can see the current rate is 12.51%. You can see we have some staked with nipcast.ro at 13.9%, which is pretty darn good. So I'm going to say we want to earn more. More. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to stake 5,000 crow. Now, here's the thing with staking 5,000 crow. Oh, it's $5.99.31. Okay, let's do 5,001. No. 5? No. Okay, 9? Okay, too much. 8? 7? Okay. So, just over 600, just about $600. $600.03. Perfection. All right. Now we say stake. And who are we going to go with? Now, let's see. Voting power / uptime. Alright, well, we want somebody that definitely has some uptime available and not a whole ton of voting power. And, wow, looks like some of these are pretty good. Alright, and some of these rates aren't that great. So, I don't know. Voting power, uptime. Wow, there's 1470, 57. Okay, their voting power is kind of low. Zion, it's pretty good. Armageddon, okay, can't beat that. Alright, we want to kind of decentralize the network as much as possible. And we want to maximize the uptime while maximizing our interest rate. So, I'm going to go with, from my preliminary analysis right here, I think I'm going to go with here, these guys. Hold on. These guys. Confirm validator. Alright, what do you guys think about these? Looks like pretty decent. Looks like a good rate. I like it. So, I'm going to stake with abccrow.io. 0% promo. Commission 0%. Oh, yeah, I like that. Alright, so they're just enticing people to come over. So I'm going to confirm the stake. And my request was submitted. Awesome. So, I want to go back here to my main wallet and see what we've got here. Alright, you can see we have $847 in the wallet. We can see we have currently unstaked $46 or 46 crow, 46 and a half crow basically. And let's go back to what we have staked, the assets here, and we can see we have 2 staked stakes. One with nebcast.ro for 2011, 34 crow, and the other for 5,006 crow. And it's getting a little better rate, for 14.71%. Much closer to the 20% we were promised than 13 point whatever. So, as you can see, this is good. I haven't claimed the rewards on the nebcast.ro yet, but I will reclaim them sometime and restake them probably. We'll have to see how that works out. But for now, that's what we got. So that's how to maximize your return. So, in moving this crow over to the DeFi wallet, I am basically getting more than double the interest we can in the main app. So, if you guys are interested in making some decent interest, move your stuff over to the DeFi wallet. Go see my video on how to create a DeFi wallet and how to connect the two. That's pretty cool. And if you want a free $25, go see my promo code below. and get the free $25 just for signing up with Crypto.com and compounding interest. Yeah, go see my video on compounding interest and how to become wealthy in the long term. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys are out there in the DeFi space. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, thanks for watching.